Coffee steams on a generic phonemic tabletop, where the vowels stretch like shadows in the late July heat, along or sliding down the back of a weary throat, flattened and white as the asphalt on a Midwestern street. It's not just the words, but the way the jaw refuses to lock, swinging loose like a rusted gate on a dusty plains fence. Listen to the hard crunch of the tongue against the teeth, that heavy letter rolling like a stone down a dry creek bed, the rhotic drive through the canyons of the mountain range, where every final sound is weighted with lead, a landscape defined by the curve of a heavy R, echoing out from the diners to the crowded coastal bars. It is a nasal climb up a ladder made of pine, a distinctive vibration that ignores the dotted line, from the sharp intake to the slow and steady exhale, tracing the blueprint of a vast and wind-blown trail. It is the architecture of a common tongue, the melody of a nation with air still in its lungs. Dip the diphthongs in a bucket of cold spring water. Watch the air bend until it snaps like a dry twig. The cadence shifts from the bayou to the frozen border, sometimes small and sharp, sometimes infinitely big. A rhythmic puzzle solved by the movement of the lips, navigating the map through phonetic solar eclipses. The grocery clerk hums a tune in a flat monochrome, while the city slicker clips his sentences short and tight. But the resonance remains in the hollow of the boom, a signature written in the middle of a restless knot. No ghost of the old world remains in the clarity of the call, as the vibration of a voice standing straight